Hello everybody, in this video we are gonna learn what is dropshipping and how print-on-demand dropshipping works with GetPrintX. So first things first, what is dropshipping? So basically dropshipping is a business model in which you get the orders from your customers and the products are directly supplied to your customer through a third-party manufacturer or a supplier. In this way, the storage of inventory is minimum and the cost of businesses are minimum. But what is print on demand dropshipping? Have you seen those big brands selling vibrant printed graphic t-shirts and your fan made printed hoodies? So those are the products which are printed on demand. So print on demand model works is, so when your customer places the order of a particular design, we print, pack and ship it directly to your customer under your brand name. So in this way you can create a business with zero inventory and minimum investment. What you have to do is you just have to create designs available on the internet and just add it to your favorite product using GetPrintX smart tools. Now you might be wondering where I can sell these products. You can sell your products anywhere you want. You can sell it through WhatsApp, you can sell it through Instagram, you can sell it on your online store. You can sell on different marketplaces like Amazon. You can also take offline orders or corporate orders in bulk. And you are ready to go live and just get orders rolling. And we will take care of everything from getting the order, printing the t-shirt to dispatching the product to your customer. We also take care of the returns which are sent by the customer. If customer has any size issues or they want replacements, we take care of everything. We also have in-house storage facility where you can keep your products for up to 90 days. With print on demand model, you can ship all over India and internationally as well with GetPrintX. So now you know what is print on demand and dropshipping. So why are you waiting to start your business? Start your business with GetPrintX today. Get exclusive discounts and one-on-one guidance for setting up your store.